I'm fit, I would be able to take care of the other mess in life easily, right? And this cool equipment that we came across called the Skill Mill. It's pretty fascinating. We're going to be telling you more about this, and after that we're going to be talking about a good old fitness tracker. Oh no, it's not a fitness tracker, it's a smartwatch from Fitbit. So we'll come to that later, but first let's check out the Skill Mill.
Technogym is the world's leading producer of design and technology-driven fitness products and digital solutions, and official supplier to the last 6 Olympic Games. So sport pros are the first ones to try out the equipment, and based on their feedback and data collected, Technogym equipments are designed to deliver a smooth and intuitive fitness experience. The equipment that we came to try out today is the Skill Mill. The Skill Mill is a new breed of treadmill which is non-motorized, operated and controlled by force applied by the user. Skill Mill works on something known as athletic performance training, a new school of thought that aims at high-intensity workouts as a means to improve your sports performance. Non-motorized, one can pull or push, add or reduce resistance to choose difficulty level and basically get a full body workout for none. Just a twist of big yellow knob on the side takes you from 0 to max. By shifting gear, you can switch quickly from low resistance running to an all-out sled push. Using it is totally uncomplicated. Your speed is controlled by the resistance itself and the amount of pressure you can exert on the treadmill.
Alright, so that was the Skill Mill. I used a couple of other equipment as well. Believe me, I just used 2 and 3 and my whole body is hurting because that was like my second day at the gym. Anyway, let's talk about the new smartwatch from Fitbit. It's their first smartwatch, the Fitbit Ionic, although there were rumors for a long time that they're going to be coming out with their watch. There are some leaks also about the design and it pretty much looks the same what we've seen in the leaks. Now let me just talk about the watch. If I talk about the design, well, this is what you get, and it's a unibody design, so they're using a nano molding technology to fuse the metal and plastic together, give it one seamless unibody which feels good. I personally like it because it's like a neat, simple, squarish design. Also some bends over here that you can see. It's very smooth, very well built. And the thing that I really like about the watch is of course the strap, rubberized strap, very comfortable. You don't really feel that itch even if you're wearing for a long time. And the cool part is that really come out like quite nicely. That's it, you know, pop it in and take it out. That's how it works. Couple of strap option that you also get. You can get new color, different kind of colors as per your need. It's quite slim as well if you see, because there are lots of sensors that they fit in. Of course, there's GPS and the heart rate monitor and all that. So considering that, it's quite slim. It looks pretty good on your wrist as well. And we'll not really be judging this by the fitness capabilities because Fitbit has been in this business for a long time and it works, really works when it comes to tracking your steps, where calories burned, steps taken and all that. It works pretty well. We're going to be more focused on the smartwatch side of things. So yeah, just like the Apple Watch, we have watch faces over here which you can access via the app. So only through the app. At one point you can only upload one watch face. So if you want to change your watch face, there are a couple of cool options that are there in the app. So you have to select a watch face in the app. And then it takes a bit of time, sometimes almost a minute to actually push it to your watch. Otherwise, like I said, the interface is pretty good. The display is it's well lit, it's pretty bright. Even in bright sunlight, you can see things quite clearly. Legibility is good. Talk about notification, you do get notification in terms of SMS and calls and all that, but that's pretty much it. You can read the message, but you really can't do anything about it. You can't reply, there's no function to that. You can't take a call. Otherwise, if you swipe to left, then you have some basic icons, like today, which is going to give you the chart of your steps taken and calories burned, your heart rate, active time, and kilometers. Next, there is exercise, which is pretty good. There are some pre-installed exercise regimes like treadmill, weight training and all that. Just select on them and you just go, and it's gonna calculate that with all the metrics. Other thing that I really like is the coach. Coach is pretty good because sometimes you need motivation, you have to see how it really works. And it's pretty good, it's graphical, you have somebody doing it for you. So for instance, if I select 7-minute workout and I just started, so I would actually see someone doing those jumping jacks, and it sort of gives you that what's the right posture at times when you feel that you're not doing it right. So that's pretty good. And yeah, so right now there are only few of them that they're pre-installed, 3 to be precise. You can put in more via the app, but there's also pay model. So basically you have the Fitbit Coach, so which has more elaborate plans on the diet, exercise and all those things, and it's a paid service. So you really don't mind paid service, but I would have loved to see more pre-installed workouts in the watch, so that if you're convinced that you feel that this workout is really working out for you, then you go ahead and buy the subscription. And the app gives you the whole metrics, how you performed, or weekly, monthly update. So if you want to track that, you can do that easily. It tracks your sleep pretty well, and so deep sleep, the fidgety, it sort of breaks it down for you. Just because sleep is really important. So as a fitness tracker, no doubt it's fantastic. As a smartwatch, it has its limitation. It has to really grow because also they are very late in the business. And Apple Watch, it started from a smartwatch and it's moving towards the fitness side of things. Now where it really trumps the Apple Watch is when it comes to the battery life, because Apple, it just lasts a day. This one, they promise 5 days and it really works. So I've actually got 5 days of battery life on a single charge. Now, if you're using GPS, that varies. So I use GPS like once in a day. So I got around between 3 to 4 days. But if you're using it extensively, then of course it's going to drain out the battery. Overall, a good attempt from Fitbit, but if I talk about the smartwatch perspective, not really there. As a fitness tracker that looks good, gives you additional features, it works pretty well.